Do you love drinking soda? If this is the case, you should definitely look into the most recent trend on TikTok, which is all about what does soda do to your stomach. If you enjoy drinking soda on a regular basis, you should most definitely pay attention to this trend. TikTok users are showing an incredible amount of interest in this trend as it continues to spread. Just in case you haven't found out about this before, then you must be aware of the following information regarding it. Despite the fact that certain trends on TikTok are hilarious and fascinating to experiment with, this new trend on TikTok called "What Does Soda Do to Your Stomach" is becoming increasingly popular as a result of the fact that it provides enlightening information. This trend is essentially about discussing the effects that consuming soda has on one's digestive system or stomach. While the vast majority of us like drinking sodas and other fizzy beverages on a regular basis, the effects that it has on our stomach or digestive system are not something that we give much thought to. If you are interested in learning how drinking soda or other carbonated beverages affects your stomach, you should keep an eye on this trend. What is it that's making the trend of "What does soda do to your stomach" grow so popular on TikTok? Because people on TikTok had no prior knowledge of the topic, the trend "What does soda do to your stomach" is quickly becoming quite popular on the platform. People particularly enjoy drinking carbonated beverages during the warm summer months. Drinking soda or other fizzy beverages is not in any way beneficial to the stomach. They have the potential to cause stomach distress, and as a result, excessive consumption of them should be avoided. In accordance with the findings of a study conducted by a medical institute, drinking soda or other carbonated beverages on a regular basis can actually cause a passage of air into the digestive tract. This causes more discomfort in the form of bloating and burping. According to the findings of several studies, it was shown that drinking an excessive amount of soda or other carbonated beverages can lead to gastroesophageal reflux illness. Responses from users concerning the trend of "What does soda do to your stomach?" The habit of asking "What does soda do to your stomach?", which is making people uncomfortable, should be avoided, particularly to people who have been imbibing an excessive amount of soda or other fizzy beverages. One of the users on the trend even remarked that he doesn't want to see this trend because he drinks too much soda and doesn't want to be associated with it. In addition to this, a meme has been spreading rapidly across TikTok in recent days. A situation in which a man can be seen leaving his table with an angry expression on his face after observing this tendency. Thanks for watching.